and welcome to Salsita Linda. My name is Alexis and today we are making a super simple Pico de Gallo. Now let's get started. First, the ingredients. You will need 3 ripe Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of a white onion, 2 serranos, 2 limes, a handful of cilantro, and salt. Next, remove the core, chop the tomatoes, and add everything to a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, dice the onion, chop the serranos, then chop the cilantro, lime juice, then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix all the ingredients together and let it rest for 15 minutes before serving. And your Pico de Gallo is ready.